Here, by this fire, the warmth is the same for every soul. Flames do not ask where you're from. They do not ask what you own. They simply burn and give light. We too are like this fire. One spark, many flames. We are workers, mothers, fathers, children. We are the same. But some places have forgotten. In some lands, a person can be turned away from healing because of a number, a card, a balance in a bank. This is not wisdom. This is not strength. A nation is not powerful because of its walls or weapons. It is powerful because of how it treats the weak. Imagine if every worker, every family, every soul could stand by their own fire without fear, without wondering if sickness will steal their food or if pain will take their dignity. That is not a dream. That is what it means to be human. I love you all. I wish you could just see we are killing ourselves. By divine wisdom and symmetry, may we remember, the light you give is the light you receive. The care you show is the care you will one day need. We are one fire, one heart, one world, one human family.